Okay, when you open up your desktop area of the website, it's usually up here, the dashboard, I should say. I want you to scroll down to the way bottom on the left to Smart Slider. And just click it and say, we don't need that. We just go to the dashboard. Okay, we're going to go to the existing one that's up here right now. We're going to hit edit. And obviously right now, this one you want off of here because it talks about Christmas. And basically you hover over it and you click on the three dots and you say delete. If you wanted to use it again at a later time, you could have just hit unpublish. But right now, the only thing that's up there is the organ. And you probably want either that's still there, I don't know, it's up to you obviously. But we'll go through some of the processes of making a slide before we actually go further. So you're going to hit add slide and you're going to add image. And all the images that are currently up here are on here. However, most of them are not going to be the right size. So I'm going to go and get something that is the right size. So I hit up, if you saw that, I went up here to upload files, select files, and I'm going to go to something of mine. Okay, the size that you're going to need for a banner is in pixels 1700 by 500. And I'll just pick something. So I'll just pick this one and hit open. These have an Epiphany verse on them, and I'm just going to hit select. And I'm going to hit save. Okay, and I would like to see how that looks on my front page, and so I'm going to go over here and I'm going to open up a new tab in a new window so that I can look how it looks now. So this obviously is still the same one that's up here, and then when it scrolls to the second one automatically, then there's the next one. So the challenge is always going to be is finding something that's 1500 by 1700 wide, and that's what I'm going to go with you next. Is I'm going to send you a template of something that is that wide that you can use always as a starting point when you're manipulating an image so that it will fit up here. So that's basically how you just change or delete a slide. If you already have something in your library, then that would be wonderful. Like I said, at this moment you do not on the website anyway, but that's all for this part.